actually live like this. Juanita 911 desk emergency room. Okay, let's get into it. First, we gotta wipe away the mess. Look at that satisfying clean. Grab those bins because we're organizing these markers by color. OCD levels are peaking 015 to 030 Crayola retractable markers. Total game changer and these pens. I'm obsessed with the pastels. Look at those cute erasers. I low-key want a Tiny Cake 103050 now for the desktop. Adding some vibes with these stickers and notebooks. Is that a mini unicorn drawer? Stop it, that is too cute. 050 to 110 time to tackle the beauty stash micellar water. Hairbrushes and all the scrunchies, you guys. A clean mirror is a lifestyle, not a choice. Spray it down 110 to 140. The makeup drawer is giving me light. Look at all that elf and Fenty. We're talking full-on glam station. If your vanity doesn't look like a Sephora aisle, what are you even doing? 140 to 210 wait. Look at these tiny lip glosses. I can't handle the cuteness. Pro tip. Clear organizers are the ultimate life hack. For finding your favorite shade. In 2 seconds flat. 210 to 240 moving to the toys and squishmallows. This rainbow one is so squishy, I'm gonna cry. Everything has its own little home now. Even the mini doll clothes. So satisfying. 240 to 310. Check out this closet transition from a disaster zone. To a boutique like the Princess sign is the perfect finishing touch. We love a royal moment. 310 to 327. Finish it off with a spring clean. So satisfying and boom. The ultimate room blow up is complete. Honestly, I'd never leave this room. Tag someone who needs this motivation.